Hi friends, welcome back to our Zustand with the TypeScript series. In this session, we are going to learn about the selecting the each and every state instead of the selecting all the states at a one time. What is the advantage? We are going to see the advantages also. If you see, I am going to create the one more component apart from the catbox one. Create file called catbox22.tsx. If you copy this one entire thing and paste in this box, change here where the cat box is there and place this too. And I'm going to remove the some properties also. I'm going to re-render the. I'm going to leave with the only big cats instead of the small cats. I'm going to remove the total cats also. Buttons also. I'm going to remove the. In this also, I'm going to left with only two things. In the cats, I'm going to take big cats, big cats instead of the small cats. This is a called destructuring property, object destructuring. If you want to see this, see. I think I haven't injected in the app dot parent component catbox 2. This is the component. If you render this, add cats, add big cats. See, in the both the components like catbox and catbox 2 component, add small cats. See, in this also, this in small cats is there in the cat box too only. That's why it is rendering in the cat small this box cat box. But if you want to see the difference, what is whether the both components unnecessary renderings are there or not? For that, I'm going to the cat box, copy here, paste, and I'm going to random math dot random. Copy this entire thing and place it in the both the components. This catbox 2 and catbox. Remove this one. I think not required. If you observe this, go to the browser. See, I have mentioned one tag here random. In that, I'm taken the dynamically as a one math dot random. If you observe the difference, if you click on the big cats in the both the once again first refresh this, refresh the refresh the web application, and if you observe the difference whether the both the components is rendering unnecessarily or not. If you click on this big cats, see this component is rendering, this component is rendering because of the in the both the components big cat variable, some variable is there. But if you click on the if you click on the add small cats button, see that small cats variable is present in the only in the cat box only, but um, it is not present in the this second component like a cat box 2 component. But unnecessarily, if you click on this, it is component is rendering. This is the problem with if you take the whole properties at a one time. If a solution for this problem is instead of the taking the selecting all the properties, selecting instead of selecting all the properties, comment this const. I'm going solution for this. Select each and every property at a time, like big cats. See, big cats use cat store of. In this, I'm going to take state dot cats dot big cats. And in this also increment some method also, like method means action, increase big cats, same like use cat store state dot increase big cats, increase big cats. See, instead of the selecting at a time all the properties taking from the used cat store, you can do like this. You can do like this. We can avoid the problems of re-rendering, unnecessary re-rendering. If you go to the web browser, if you now increment, once again refresh the application after changing stuff, after adding the code. Uh, if you click on this add big cards, see this big cards is rendering. If you click on once again, after 20 can stop. See, after 20 we have stop. But if you click on the add small cats, see, we did not seeing the uh, this this component is not rendering, not re-rendering. If once again click that, see, the still this big cats the cat box component is rendering, but this component is not rendering. Somewhat extent we have stopped the unnecessary re-renderings of the component. This is the actual problem of the unnecessary re-rendering of the components in the gesture. You can do same thing in the cat box also if you want to select here. Instead of this, you can select the all the properties like cats, uh, big cats, big cats, use cat store, state, dot cats dot big cats, and same small cats also. Sorry, small cats, use cat store, state dot cats dot small cats. Same like methods also, like increase big cats, use state dot increase big cats, const increase small cats, increase small cats, use cat store of state dot increase small cats. Like same summary function also, summary. Yes, why it is not getting the proper, that's state of state dot summary. You can remove these both things unnecessarily, and here you can, instead of the cats, you can directly call this. Okay, go to the, you can remove this one also, you can remove this one and go to the web browser. Once again refresh the web page and click on the add big cards. Add big cards, due to this both the components are rendering. If you click on this, see 15. If you click on this, see only this component is rendering. We have did the this second component is not rendering. We have stopped the somewhat extent of the re-rendered unnecessary re-rendering of the components. The main problem is selecting the, instead of selecting the at a time at the all the properties and actions, due to instead of selecting the all the properties at a time, you can use this one. In the next session, we are going to use the auto selecting of the actions. We are going to see that one in the next session. If you like my content, if you like my explanation, please like the video and subscribe my channel and support my channel.